Interest rates are shifting, buyers are waking up, and sellers are sweating. Welcome to the new summer housing war. Here's the real deal on what's happening right now in the national housing scene. Mortgage rates, they've cooled off a bit, sitting around 6.8, which is a breather from the recent chaos. But don't celebrate just yet. Affordability is still tight, and with the median home price pushing $403,000 this spring, and that's the 21st straight month of year-over-year price hikes. If you're buying, this market isn't for the unprepared. You need solid income, minimal debt, and a strong down payment if you want to stand a chance. These aren't just suggestions, they're non-negotiables if you want to win in this game. On the bright side, inventory is finally creeping up. We're seeing more homes hit the market, but in hot zones, especially the Midwest, it's still savage. Multiple offers, speed sales. People bring the heat to get more houses for their dollar. If you want in, you better be fast, aggressive, and ready to play. And sellers, don't get cocky. This isn't 2021. You've got to price strategically, time it right, and expect negotiations. Success isn't about luck, it's about leverage. And that comes from working with someone who knows how to market like a machine and negotiate like a shark. If you want hyper-local data on pricing, inventory, and how long homes are actually sitting on the market where you live, reach out. My team and I will give you the insights and strategy you need to crush your next move. From expert negotiations to marketing strategies, we've learned exactly what it takes to succeed in today's competitive real estate market. I'm Leah Bollier with Coast to Coast Properties and eXp Realty, matchmakers of homes for buyers and sellers.